Hi guys, I'm Sushmita from Miss Pink Shoes and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a vlog. It's the first time I'm vlogging and I'm really excited. So today Forever 21 is opening in Chennai and I'm so excited. So I thought I should, vlog today and take you guys through my entire day. So before I go for the opening, I'm going to go to college and I'm going to be in college only till 12 because I have to reach the venue at 1 o'clock. So I'm going to leave from college at like 12:15 and get there. So I'm going to take you guys with me all day and show you what a day in my life kind of looks like. So right now it's about 6:53 a.m. I woke up at 6:45 and I'm going to go take a shower, get dressed for college, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So I'm finally ready and this is what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing like a basic olive green t-shirt that I got from H&M, and I'm wearing these plain high-waist pants that I love and these shoes. So I'm gonna leave now and I'm gonna head to college and I'm gonna do my face in car because I'm always late and today I'm vlogging, so I'm more late than usual. So I'm gonna just go down, eat breakfast and make a move. So I'm on the way to college and the sun is really bright, so my face looks so overexposed. But yeah, I'm on the way. I'm almost there. So usually it takes me like 45 minutes to 1 hour to get to college, but luckily today there wasn't too much traffic, so it didn't take as long. So right now the time is 8:25 and my classes start at 9, so I think in another 5 to 10 minutes I should reach college. Also, I'm done with my makeup, so on a regular basis I wear like really light, easy makeup. So I just put a bit of concealer on my cheeks because I have a lot of spots, and then I just put a compact all over it to set it and to make my skin tone really even. Then kajal, mascara, eyeliner and lip color, and I also did my brows, without which I cannot live. So yeah, it took me about like 10 minutes to do this, and I do this every day and I have abundant time to travel. So yeah, that's why I do it on the way, so that I don't waste my time at home and I can sleep for that extra 10-15 minutes. So the college is pretty empty and that's because I'm half an hour early, but I do have a bit of work that I need to get done before class, so I'm gonna do that and hopefully I'm not alone for long. I hope I have company. I wanted to show you guys this wall which I really like. It has all these amazing artworks. This is my absolute favorite. I really like this. So that's pretty much my class. Everyone's working and that's my team. Alright, so I'm done with college. I'm leaving now and I look like shit. I can't even see myself in the mirror because the lens, because it is so hot and it's very sunny. So I'm just gonna get into my car. I have shitloads of things in my hands and I'm gonna do my makeup in the car like I do every time I have an event and I'm late. So I'm right now sitting inside my car and I will show you a few clippings of me doing my makeup. So I've removed all my makeup and I'm gonna start fresh again because I can't, lather up makeup on existing dirty, sweaty makeup. So I've gotten rid of all of that and I can't really seem to find an angle where I can keep the camera and show you guys what I'm doing. So it's a very awkward angle right now. So I'm gonna try and show you guys as much as I can. The mirror is on top here, so it's gonna be a little difficult. So let's see what can be done. So of course I'm just gonna start by priming, and this is not a makeup tutorial, but I'm just gonna tell you guys the main things that I'm doing. Okay, this place is a mess. I don't have enough space and I'm so scared that some of my palette is gonna fall, break, give up on me. I don't know. I'm just really scared right now because I've never had this much makeup in the car. I've had something similar but not so much. Oh my god, the glow. Can you guys see my cheeks? I look brighter than the sun, I guess.
What do you think? So my outfit is like this really nice pink top and a nice printed pastel skirt with an overcoat in white color. It's not like an overcoat, it is like a crochet jacket. So it's a very like girly, cute kind of look. So my makeup is going to be like very simple, minimal, and very fresh, and it will have quite a bit of pink, but not like an overpowering pink, like a baby pink. I'm just so glad that I carried all of my makeup in a box and not a pouch, because it's much more easier, it's so organized. I'm gonna show you a clipping of how my desk, whatever, looks right now. So if you guys can see, I have a box with this lid. So all of my, brushes are here so I can quickly reach them. And all the products are right here. Okay, back now. And the angle looks different. I don't know why. Is it different? Is it not? I don't know. Okay. I can't really play around with this. I have to be very, very careful. So I pulled my eyes off without spilling anything or dropping anything around. So I'm just gonna get done with my makeup in like another 5 minutes, and I think I'm gonna reach in like 10-15 minutes. Where can you this? 10-15 minutes. Alright guys, guess where I am? It's finally here and I am so excited to go in. I'm gonna go in, show you guys around and try out a couple of clothes, and hopefully I'll show you what all I've tried on. I love the way my makeup looks. It's well settled and it looks really, really nice. And I'm gonna show you my outfit properly really soon. So that's my outfit. I'm wearing a pink top which looks very orange in this picture, and I'm wearing this pastel skirt with these white gladiators that I love. It's time to finally try some clothes on. So guys, I tried on a lot of things that I couldn't really film because the lighting is so bad. So I've taken some pictures which I'm going to be putting somewhere in the video so you guys can have a look. And also the collection here is so amazing. I'm in love with this store. So Forever 21 has been like a favorite store since many years. I've been buying from them for a very long time online. And now since it's in my city, I'm like so excited. I'm going to come here really soon and shop. I'm not going to be shopping today because it's going to be very crowded. So I'm going to be coming like a few days later when the crowd kind of, is not as excited as they are today and there's no crowd, so I can shop peacefully. So guys, I'm done with Forever 21. I had such an amazing time there and I'm so in love with everything in the store. I can't wait to go and shop. So I was actually gonna have lunch with a couple of other bloggers and I thought I'll show you guys around, but I forgot to vlog and then I had to leave suddenly because there's something at home that I have to attend to. So right now I'm heading home, and after that I am gonna go somewhere, but I'm not really sure if that's happening. So if it's happening, then I'm gonna take you guys along. Alright, I'm back to my original face, no makeup. I'm actually wearing my mom's kurti. I love this kurti and I was just too lazy to go up to my room because my room is on the second floor and my mom's room is on the ground floor. So every time I come home just for some time, I chill in her room and then just head out because I'm just a very lazy person like that. So right now I'm going to a doctor for my skin. So a blogger friend of mine recommended it and recommended that particular doctor. So I'm really excited. I just hope it works and my skin gets better because right now it's in a horrible place. So I'm just gonna go there and I'm gonna come back home and see you guys. The traffic in Chennai, I tell you, earlier when the metro rail work was, just starting, all the roads were changed to one ways and basically it was a huge chaotic mess. But then we got used to it and now it's back to normal, and I think it's much worse than where it was. I can't wait for the metro rail to actually start functioning. Alright, so it's been a while since I updated you guys. So I edited my pictures. I took rest for a while because I've just been feeling really tired. I don't know why my body hurts a lot, and I haven't been sleeping too well for the last few days. So yeah, I just rested for a while, and then I took a shower and had my dinner and did my makeup. So this is the look that I've done. I've gone for like a silvery purple eye with like a mauvey nude lip color, and I'm going to be wearing like a plain white dress. I'm going to show you that in just a bit. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this really pretty silver neck piece with this purple tube gown. Now I was supposed to wear a white dress, but then that had a stain on it, so I switched over for this, and my makeup just works perfectly with it, so I really like it. And yeah, that's about it. So this is where I am, and the place looks so good, guys. So guys, I'm back home and I am extremely tired. So I couldn't take my camera in there because it was a club and it wasn't allowed. So I took like 2 clippings from my phone, which I must have put before this. So I really hope you guys like this vlog, and if you want me to vlog more, don't forget to comment and let me know. I had a really fun yet tiring day. It's past 1 in the night and I'm just really tired. I just want to hit the bed. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, the link is down below, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Mwah. Bye.